how to play CS2 Faceit. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can play CS2 on Faceit. So first of all, you need to open the Faceit app on your desktop, or you just have to click on the plus icon and open a new tab and go to the official faceit.com website and then log into your account. And after logging in, you just have to click on the play button from here, and after that you just have to click on connect game. From here I have just chosen CS2, and let's connect game from here, like Counter-Strike 2 it's showing. So you will just have to click on connect Steam from here, and after clicking on here it will take us to the Steam uh, account. So it says we noticed your Steam account doesn't have the prime. No, it's no problem, no issue. And after that, after connecting your Steam account to here, and you can just play normally the CS2 from your Steam account. And you can also invite your friends here through Steam. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.